Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna see how to integrate HubSpot with Salesforce. Firstly, log into your HubSpot account and click the Marketplace icon in the top navigation bar. Then select App Marketplace. Use the search bar to locate and select the Salesforce integration. Then click Install App in the upper right. If you're connected to a Salesforce sandbox, click Yes. This will connect to a sandbox and check the box. Then log in to Salesforce. In the pop-up window, enter your Salesforce credentials and click Login. After logging in, you will be redirected back to the HubSpot installation process. Just click Start the Salesforce package installation to begin. Alternatively, click on the link to access the production package directly. You'll be redirected to Salesforce. Select Install for all users. In the dialog box, select Yes, grant access to these third-party websites checkbox. Click Continue, and the installation may take up to 10 minutes. After installation, click Done and wait for an email from Salesforce with the subject package HubSpot integration install successful. After that HubSpot package, go back to HubSpot connector wizard and click Next. Click Add Hotspot Embed to Salesforce. You can also enroll Salesforce records in HubSpot workflows and sequences, and follow the step-by-step instructions provided to add the Hotspot embed window to your Salesforce page layout. Now review your settings. If needed, click Change to modify any settings. Once ready, click Finish Setup and you will be redirected to the Salesforce integration settings. The sync between HubSpot and Salesforce now will begin. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.